10 into 1.732, that is 17.32 is the height of the tree. A player sitting on the top of a tower of height 40 meters observes an angle of depression of a ball lying on the ground is 60 degrees. The distance between the foot of the tower and the ball is, here height of the tower is given as 40. This guy is sitting over here, and he observes the angle of depression as 60 degrees. Okay. See, this angle of depression is counted like this along with the horizontal. So this is 60 he sees. So this will be 30 because total is 90. So this angle is 30. Now what we want? The distance between the foot of the tower and the ball. So this D we want. So tan 30 equals to opposite upon adjacent. So tan 30 equals to D upon 40. So D equals to what? 40 into tan 30. But what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. So D equals to 40 by root 3. If in exam it's given this much only, keep it this much. Else you will have to solve this 1.732 and move ahead. Means 40 upon 1.732 and then you will have to solve. But generally it's not given. This much is the answer in exams. Next, solve. The tower is 50 meters high. Its shadow is x meters shorter when the sun is at an altitude of 45 degrees, then when it is at an angle of altitude of 45 degrees, then when it is at 30 degrees. Therefore x equals to, here there are two problems, we'll solve one by one. Okay, we'll first solve this first one, very easy one. Here 50 meters is the height, then what, when the angle is 30 degrees, then here the sun is over here, there will be a shadow of this tower. When it is at 30 degrees it will be longer, when it is at 45 degrees it will be shorter. So this difference is x, that's what is told. Okay, so now we have to find out this x. See this, tan 45 equals to 50 upon b. 50. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.